Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Learning. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. In today's lesson, we're going to learn something super useful: how to order food in English, hamburger pizza.
Yes, eating out is fun, but sometimes it can be scary when you don't know what to say in English.
Don't worry, today we'll help you feel confident at any restaurant.
You'll learn how to order food, ask questions, and talk politely with a waiter, all in easy English.
And of course, we'll practice together with real conversations and mini role plays.
So, are you ready to order some English?
Let's go.
Paul. Okay, let's start with a real example. Imagine Emily and I are at a restaurant. Scene 1. Arriving at the restaurant.
Good evening. How many people are in your group?
2 people, please.
Great. Follow me, please. Here's your table.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here are your menus.
Thanks.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some water, please.
Emily, as guest, I'll have an orange juice, please. Waiter, Emily, sure, I'll bring your drink soon.
Easy, right? Now let's talk about the important phrases from this scene. Vocabulary and phrases, Part 1. 1. Menu. A list of food and drinks you can order. Can I see the menu, please? This restaurant has a big menu. The menu looks delicious. 2. Table, where you sit to eat. We have a table for 2. Let's sit at that table near the window. 3rd order, to ask for food or drink. I'd like to order pizza, please. What would you like to order? 4. Waiter/waitress, the person who brings food. The waiter is very kind. The waitress brought our drinks. 5. Drink, something to drink like water or juice. I'd like a cold drink, please. What drinks do you have? Scene 2. Ordering food.
Waiter, Emily, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'd like a cheeseburger with fries, please.
Emily, as guest, and I'll have a chicken salad, please. Waiter, Emily. Great. Would you like something to drink?
Just water, please.
Emily, as guest, orange juice for me, please. Waiter, Emily. Sure. Would you like any dessert after your meal?
Maybe later.
Emily. I'll think about it, thank you. Waiter, Emily. No problem. Your food will be ready soon.
When you order, it's good to use polite phrases like I'd like or can I have.
Yes. Let's practice those phrases. Repeat after us.
Practice? Repeat after us. I'd like a cheeseburger, please.
Can I have a salad, please?
I'll have some juice.
Could I get the menu, please?
Paul, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Vocabulary and phrases. Part 2. 6. Appetizer. Small food before the main meal. We ordered soup as an appetizer. I like to start with an appetizer. 7. Main course. The big meal, usually meat or fish. My main course is pasta. What's the main course today? 8. Dessert. Sweet food after the meal. I love chocolate cake for dessert. Do you want dessert or coffee? 9. Delicious, very tasty. This food is delicious. The soup tastes delicious. 10. Bill, check. The paper that shows how much you pay. Can I have the bill, please? The check, please.
Scene 3. Eating and asking for the bill.
Waiter, Emily. How is your food?
It's delicious, thank you.
Emily, as guest. Yes, everything tastes great. Waiter, Emily. I'm glad to hear that. Would you like any dessert?
Not today, thank you. Can we have the bill, please?
Waiter, Emily. Of course. Here it is.
Thanks. Do you take credit cards?
Waiter, Emily. Yes, we do. Emily, as guest. Great. Thank you very much. Waiter, Emily. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Easy and polite. That's how to talk at a restaurant.
Remember, being polite is important. Always say please and thank you. Mini Role Play 1. At a cafe. Paul, as waiter. Hi there, welcome to Sunny Cafe. What can I get for you?
Emily, as guest. Hi, can I have a cup of coffee and a sandwich, please?
Paul, as waiter. Sure. Would you like anything else?
Emily, as guest. No, thank you. That's all.
Paul, as waiter. Okay, please wait a few minutes.
Emily, as guest. Thank you. Mini Role Play 2. At a fast food restaurant. Emily, as cashier. Hi, what would you like to order?
I'll have a large pizza and a cola, please.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please.
Eat here or take away?
Take away, please.
Great, that's $8.99.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks.
Mini Role Play 3. Making a reservation.
Hello. I'd like to make a reservation for tonight.
Emily, as restaurant staff. Sure. What time?
At 7 p.m., please.
How many people?
4 people.
Great. Your table is booked for 7 p.m.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See you tonight. Extra practice, repeat and answer. Okay, everyone. Let's practice together. Repeat after us.
Can I have the menu, please?
I'd like a salad and some water, please.
The food is delicious.
Can we have the bill, please? Great job. Now let's answer some practice questions.
Questions for viewers. Question 1. What's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Question 2. What drink do you like with your meal?
Question 3. How do you ask for the bill politely?
Question 4. What's your favorite dessert?
Question 5. Do you prefer to eat in or take away?
Pause the video and answer in English. Speak out loud for practice. Extra vocabulary practice, Part 3. 11. Reservation, booking a table in advance. I made a reservation for 7 o'clock. Do we need a reservation for tonight? 12. Serve, to bring food to someone. The waiter served our meal quickly. They serve breakfast all day. 13. Recommend, to say something is good. What do you recommend? The waiter recommended the soup. 14. Special, something special or new. What's today's special? The special dish is seafood pasta. 15. Spicy, with a strong hot flavor. This curry is very spicy. I like spicy food. Now let's listen to a short story about Paul's first time at an English-speaking restaurant.
Yes, I remember it clearly. I went to a restaurant in London. The waiter came and said, "Are you ready to order?" I didn't understand, so I just smiled.
Oh no. What happened next?
The waiter smiled and brought me the menu again. I pointed at a picture of spaghetti and said, "This one, please."
Good choice.
After that, I learned to say, "I'd like," and "Can I have?" Now I can order anywhere with confidence.
See everyone? Learning simple English phrases really helps in real life.
Let's review everything we learned today.
First, we learned how to order food politely in English.
Second, we practiced real conversations at restaurants and cafes.
Third, we learned 15 new words and phrases like menu, order, waiter, delicious, bill, and reservation.
And we practiced speaking and listening together with fun role plays.
Now you can go to a restaurant and order food in English with confidence.
Great work today, everyone. You did amazing.
Remember, practice these sentences at home or when you go out to eat.
The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell for more easy English lessons.
Thank you for watching and learning with us.
See you next time on Mr. English Learning. Both, bye everyone.